Hello all. Welcome to this tutorial on upload files and folders to Google Drive. You can upload, view, share, and edit files with Google Drive. When you upload a file to Google Drive, it will take up space in your drive, even if you upload to a folder owned by someone else. The types of files that Google Drive supports action with are documents, images, audio, video. On your computer, you can upload from drive.google.com or your desktop. You can upload files into private or shared folders. On your computer, go to drive.google.com. At the top left, click New and then File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose the file or folder you want to upload. You can also drag files into Google Drive. For that, on your computer, go to drive.google.com. Open or create a folder. To upload files and folders, drag them into the Google Drive folder. We have covered everything for this tutorial. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.